Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be comparing two popular air fryers, the Secura air fryer and the Chefman small air fryer. We'll evaluate these two products in different categories to help you choose the best one for your needs. Before we start, please hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more honest reviews. The Secura air fryer has a larger capacity of 5.3 quarts, making it perfect for cooking meals for the entire family. On the other hand, the Chefman small air fryer is designed for personal use and has a smaller capacity. With its powerful 1700W heating element, the Secura air fryer can fry, roast, bake, reheat, or grill almost any dish you desire. While the Chefman small air fryer is also versatile, it is best suited for small meals such as frozen vegetables or chicken. Both air fryers can be adjusted up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for precise temperature control. However, the Secura air fryer offers a user-friendly interface and a more extended 60-minute timer, whereas the Chefman small air fryer has only a 30-minute timer. The Chefman small air fryer's detachable basket and tray are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, while the Secura air fryer has a non-stick frying basket that is also easy to clean. However, the Chefman small air fryer's compact size makes it easier to store in small kitchens or RV trips. The Secura air fryer is priced at $56, while the Chefman small air fryer is more affordable at $39. And that's our comparison of the Secura air fryer and the Chefman small air fryer. Both products have their unique features and benefits, so it's up to you to decide which one is the best for your needs. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more honest reviews. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.